In today's video, I'm going to share with you some informations about the infectious disease which is commonly known as COVID-19. I'm going to share with you what is coronavirus is, how would how this would affect our health, and how we can prevent it, and so on and so forth. First is, what is coronavirus disease or COVID-19? So it is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus which is called the coronavirus. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. So, most of the infected patients were the older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer, and so on and so forth. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. We must protect ourselves and others from infection by washing our hands and using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. Through frequently washing our hands, we are preventing or slowing down the transmission of this infectious virus. The COVID-19 spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. So how can we do that? So when we sneeze or cough, we have to cover our nose, our mouth. At this time, we have there are no specific vaccines or treatments for COVID-19. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. So, while we are waiting for that, we have to prevent it from spreading. We have to prevent the spreading of this virus. So how can we prevent it? Here are the things that we must follow to prevent the infection and to slow transmission of this coronavirus. First, we have to wash our hands regularly with soap and water, or we clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Next, we have to maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. So next is avoid touching your face. So we don't know what kind of germs or viruses it is on our hands. Just to make sure, we have to avoid touching our face. Next is cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Next, we have to stay home if you're not feeling well. Next, refrain from smoking and other activities that weakens the lungs. Next, we have to practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large group of people. We don't know who among them are the carrier of this virus, so it's better to avoid such large group of people. Next, what are the symptoms of this coronavirus disease or the COVID-19? So, most common symptoms includes fever, tiredness, dry cough, shortness of breath, aches and pains, sore throats, and Some people experience diarrhea or runny nose, like that. If we experience those, it's better to call their doctor and seek for medical attention to prevent the spreading of the virus. Hope these informations will help us to prevent the COVID-19. So, thank you and keep safe, everyone.